Let's practice your English. I read white. You read yellow. Welcoming a guest. Conversation between host Ryan and guest Sarah. I'll play the role of guest and you'll play the role of host. We'll start by listening to the entire dialogue and then we'll move on to practicing it. Let's start.
Hi, Sarah. Welcome to my place. How are you?
Hi, Ryan. Thanks for having me. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm great. Come in, make yourself comfortable.
Thanks. Your home is really nice.
I'm glad you like it. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, please. A glass of water would be great. Sure, I'll get that for you right away. Thanks, Ryan.
Here you go, Sarah. So, how was your trip here?
It was pretty smooth, no traffic at all.
That's good to hear. I'm really glad you could make it.
Me too. I've been looking forward to catching up with you. Let's practice your English now. Hi, Ryan. Thanks for having me. I'm doing well. How about you? Thanks. Your home is really nice. Yes, please. A glass of water would be great. Thanks, Ryan. It was pretty smooth, no traffic at all. Me too. I've been looking forward to catching up with you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button. Your support means the world to me. Stay tuned for future uploads. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.